What's going on, people? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going somewhere I've never been, and the place has got a pretty cool name, which is Raven Rock. I've looked at pictures of it online before I planned the ride, and it looks that, like, aesthetically, it looks like it's going to be an absolutely lovely place to ride to. It's relatively close to the place we went in Wick, where me and Paul went in Wick. Wick Nature Reserve, that was what it was called. It's very close to that. So I will be wary, very, very wary of what happened the last time we decided to ride down to Wick, which was we ended up going up that road, Cans Lane, something like that. And then we ended up going up like a massive incline where like water was coming down it. It was like a stream or something. Yeah, so hopefully avoid that this time. I've looked on the sat nav and it doesn't appear like we're going to be going up or anywhere near Can Lane. But if I do see it, I will be riding straight past it. Another thing that makes this little trip a little bit unique as well is I'm pretty sure until you get to like the front gate of this place, it's going to be all road riding. So I'll be on the road the whole time, which is, I know Paul will probably watch this video and be like, why didn't you invite me to this? Which is another reason why I'm doing it on my own, because I know Paul really doesn't like riding on the road too much. But if you do like it, Paul, we can always go back on a double ride, can't we? But yeah, so hopefully this should be very good. It's apparently 4 miles away, which on my sat nav was originally 29 minutes, but it's already down to 22 and we've been riding for 3 minutes. So we're battering that, which is unsurprising because we'll be going basically a steady 18, 19 miles an hour the whole way. And here we go. This is Can Lane, and it is telling me to go up there. It's not happening, guys. It's not happening. I'm not going up Can Lane. No chance in hell. I'm going to go straight down here and turn right at the roundabout. Yeah, I'm not going out there ever again. Nice big lorry. So I love that. He gave me loads of room then. Loads. Which is really, really nice. So yeah, similar ETA is saying, which is good. That's the Holly Bush there. Really, really nice pub. Does probably the best pub Sunday roast I've had in my entire life. And that's no exaggeration. So up here, for you guys that know, Bristol is a double roundabout that no one ever seems to know what to do on. I've seen many of the traffic jam up here because people do not understand how a double roundabout works. There you go, you can see the sign over there, double roundabout. So we're heading down to Chippenham, but luckily because we're going right, we only really have to negotiate one of the roundabouts. There we go, all done. Done without a problem. Motorbike going past. Oh, that's cool. Vespa. I love a Vespa. What's crazy is I can catch him up. So I expected us to continue round this bend to the right, where that motorbike just went, but we're not. We're going up Chesley Hill. So we'll see how heavy this hill is. Chesley Hill. Oh, it's not too bad. Morning. Now this is a route I've definitely never gone on. Never ever. And so far I think Paul would be fine with this, because technically this is a road. Morning. Technically this is a road, but it's very quiet. Basically it's a country road, isn't it? You know? But yeah, I think you like it. But this place is basically, it looks like kind of like a reservoir with like a quarry around it. I don't know. It just like, because I've been looking at it from, you know, space essentially, satellite imagery from Google Maps. It's basically like a big kind of square shape of water with like very light colored kind of sand, dirt, quarry-like shit around it. So hopefully it should be not, oh God. Bet our house cost a fortune. To be fair, all these houses down here probably cost a fortune. That is a big lot of horse shit on the floor, which I thankfully dodged, otherwise that would have been all up on my back. And because I'm me, and because I'm an idiot, obviously I wore white again. So you have to tell me how this sounds. Obviously I'll find out when I edit anyway, because I have purchased the Mic Air for the Insta360 camera. So a Bluetooth microphone directly to the camera. And you make, Jay, what are you talking about? You already got DJI mics. I do. Which are really, really handy when you got two people, you know? But when you got one, it's a lot of faff, you know? Because I got to set up, you know, I have to have the GoPro with me. And I don't even have the GoPro with me today. I'm literally shooting this video as a test with just the Insta360 camera. Because it lightens my load, all those kind of stuff. And then this microphone here weighs, I think on the advert it said, weighs the same as a 10-pence piece. So it's really, really light. And obviously it's Bluetooth, so there's no adapters or anything like that. But it means I can't walk miles away from the bike. And I can't get things between the bike, between the microphone and the camera, which shouldn't be a problem at the moment. I'm waffling, I am not taking time to enjoy this ride, because it is very, very nice. Lots of nice areas. Places I don't think I've ever been. So down St. Anne's Drive. Oh, these are some lovely houses down here. Whew. I have to get on Zoopla, see what the prices are down in St. Anne's Drive. Because these houses, not only are they big, but they're pretty as well. Very, very pretty. A lot of them are actually like massive bungalows. Really lovely and quiet, man. Golden Fish Bar, Wit Cafe. And as you can tell as well, lots of middle-aged white men with their tops off. It is the southwest of England in the summer, so don't be surprised. Oh my God. Bruh, Bumblebee just drove up the road. No joke, Bumblebee. Oh, it's a green light, guys. So now we're back on this road. And there's just, I don't know why it took me that way. Because, like, you know what I said, I'm surprised it didn't just take me round the bend. I'm very surprised now, because if it did just take me round that bend, I would have got here. And I'd imagine I'd have got here by the same time, even faster, if I just went round the bend. Now, apparently this pub as well, this Rose and Crown on the right-hand side, is apparently a really, really nice pub as well. I have just never had the pleasure, so I can't talk on that. Maybe we'll ride down here and have a burger or something. Give it a go. Oh, I missed my turning. Bloody hell, I was riding up here, no traffic whatsoever. Now I can't even turn off. So we want to go up it. To be fair, I could have just rid down. Right, so we are very close now. And it's a wild looking place, guys. Attention, rigid lorries. This is what I mean about it. Kind of looked like a quarry. Maybe like it is a quarry. Maybe I'll get there and I won't be allowed in. Is this the way? I really, really hope this isn't private land. Because if it is, Google Maps has done me in, mate. It has done me in. Google Maps has done me in. Oh, for God's sake. Guys, the search continues. Let's go back the way we came. Okay, I probably should pay attention to this. I just feel very sorry if this does so happen to be someone's private land. I can only apologise. Chances are they're not watching this video. But if you are, very much apologise. Google Maps just sent me this way and I just went this way. I got no other excuse other than that, really, guys. So when I missed that turn in, basically what I should have done is just stayed the path. And then just let it rework itself. So because of my massive hiccup, we've actually lost time. We've actually lost time, which is not fantastic, but it is what it is. What the hell? So that's now saying go out there. Oh, it's all closed up. There's no way into the quarry there. No way. So let's keep going down. Literally it is right there. There's got to be a way in. Guard dog in use. Oh. Wow. Deep cold water. So what's annoying me is the reviews on the Google Maps were like, oh, lovely, beautiful place to have like a picnic. Oh, bike gate. Let's go. Are we getting somewhere, guys? Are we getting somewhere? Holy shit. Literally. Oh my God, so much poop. So much poop.
Thank you so much.
Not a problem at all.
Lovely day for it.
Yeah. Is there a way to see into the quarry and the water in there?
I've always wondered this. You can't really like see at all, can you?
Yeah.
The only way I know of is if you literally go on foot, like from the bottom.
From the bottom all the way up, yeah.
But to be honest, I've heard that they're draining it at the moment and they're going to refill it. So I don't think
Oh,
the view's that great anyway anymore.
great.
Sorry.
That's all right. That's all right. Thank you. Take care, both of you. Ah. So much for Ravens Rock. Ravens crap, mate. What's going on? Well, at least there was other cyclists then, so I know I'm not breaking the rules. Then again, we could all be breaking the rules. There's that. Whoa. Hoo-hoo-hoo. Look in. Oh, now we're getting lower. Ah! You son of a bitch. Ah. A nice big stinging nettle across the knees. That'll wake you up in the morning. Oh, stones. Right. Gotta be careful on the stones because of the break-in. Lots more fucking horse shit. Now, those people that I spoke to, the ones on the horse, lovely. Lovely people. But I don't understand why people like horses. You know? They scare the living daylights out of me, man. It's not like I don't like them. It's not like I think they're horrible. They just scare me. You know? Because I'm pretty much freaked out by any animal that I couldn't defend myself against in hand-to-hand combat. You know what I mean? Because at this moment, guys, all we are doing is riding around it. It's over there. It was a road, then completely bush-like ride around. Jesus, wet. What is... Right. Where's this going? Very close to coming back out on a road. And unfortunately, it doesn't look like we're going to be able to see Ravens Rock. Which is incredibly sad. Jeez Louise! Lots of horse shit. Oh, my legs are so itchy. Oh my God. I've been absolutely munnered by stinging nettles, I tell you. Guard dogs. Horse poo. Oh. Oh, I'm itchy. I am so itchy. Oh, God. Well, I'm sorry, folks. This ended up just being another chat ride video. God's sake. We couldn't get into Ravens Rock, I'm afraid. But as always, remember, like, share, subscribe. I don't know why anyone would for this video. We didn't go anywhere. But remember, stay awesome.